Ever wonder about the top 10 secrets to removing those pesky aging spots on your body? Well, you're about to unravel the mystery. Counting down from number 10, we have 1. Exfoliate regularly. A consistent routine of gentle exfoliation can help remove built-up layers of dead skin cells, revealing more youthful-looking skin beneath. 9. Apply a vitamin C serum. This powerful antioxidant not only brightens the skin, but also helps in reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin plump and rejuvenated, reducing the visibility of aging spots. 7. Embrace the power of green tea. Packed with antioxidants, applying green tea topically can help fade aging spots over time. 6. Use sunscreen daily. Sun damage is a major cause of aging spots. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen every day, come rain or shine. 5. Incorporate a retinol cream into your skincare routine. Retinol, a form of vitamin A, can help accelerate skin renewal and reduce the appearance of aging spots. 4. Try a skin lightening cream. Products with ingredients like hydroquinone can fade aging spots by reducing the production of melanin in your skin. 3. Eat a balanced diet. What you put in your body reflects on your skin. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants can help combat skin damage and diminish aging spots. 2. Get regular facials. Professional treatments can target aging spots and help even out your skin tone for a more youthful appearance. And finally, our number 1 tip. 1. Consult with a dermatologist. If over-the-counter treatments aren't working, a dermatologist can provide professional treatments like laser therapy or chemical peels to reduce the appearance of aging spots. In summary, the top 10 tips to remove aging spots on your body include exfoliating regularly, applying a vitamin C serum, staying hydrated, using green tea, wearing sunscreen daily, incorporating a retinol cream into your skincare routine, trying a skin lightening cream, eating a balanced diet, getting regular facials, and consulting with a dermatologist. Remember, while these tips can help reduce the appearance of aging spots, it's always best to embrace the natural aging process and love the skin you're in. After all, each spot tells a story of a moment lived and a memory made. Here's to more beautiful moments and memories. Until next time.